to start a YouTube video. But I wanted to make a video and talk about, I don't know, riding motorcycles in Alaska, because I think that'd be pretty interesting. It's like any other state, honestly, because, you know, it's sunny, but most of the time it's snow. Most people think the state is, you know, all snow, but as you can see, it's honestly pretty sunny out. What's people doing? Slow. Anyways, yeah, it's thankfully it's pretty sunny. It's tourist. Anyways, yeah, today thankfully it is 70, I think, 71, 69, I don't remember, but these days don't come very often. I don't know why it's so sunny, but it's been like this since, I think, Monday, I think? I don't remember. But yeah, this is what it's like to ride in the state. Right now, heading towards Talkeetna. It's such a boring place. It is a very, very, very boring place. Unless you're a tourist, then I don't know, then it's fun. But there's nothing to do. There is not a single thing to do as a local, because, you know, I've been here for 12 years, and I mean, it's a gorgeous place, but it's boring. There's just one road that goes up and down, and then you got little side streets. Unless you know people are part of the clique, it's just not fun. There's no Walmarts, there's no Best Buys, there's no malls, there's no meetups, there's no car meets. It gets boring. I've done this road a trillion billion times. It just gets old. But you know, it's not too bad, because you know, it's a 55. You're not supposed to go very fast. Most people are tourists. They're not really going that fast. They're just not really paying attention. I mean, it's a gorgeous place. It's gorgeous, I guess. It's pretty. But it gets old. It doesn't get old fast, but it gets old. I don't know. I'm just thankful it's not raining, because living in the state, it's always raining. It's always raining. Oh yeah. But yeah, I'm just happy it's not raining. It's sunny. Just living in the state, it's like living in a rainforest. I've told many people, it's hard. You can't ride. It's not very fun to ride in the rain, and most of the year it's pretty snowy. So when you get days like these, this is nice. But there's not very much. There's not very many things to ride or go to. So I'm not a tourist. I'm a local. So I've done everything. It gets old. But it's alright. You can meet some people. There's car meets surprisingly in the state. But you know, I go to these car meets and alright. Loud cars, but alright. And I go there to meet people to ride with. Most of them are sport bikes. I'm on an old BMW. This thing doesn't go very fast. It doesn't go very fast. I can cruise some traffic without an issue. I'm in, I think, 4th. No indicators. Not a single indicator. I I don't have gear indicators, no temp indicators, nothing. Back, speed, and a clock. I got a clock. Yeah. That's good stuff. I don't even know where I'm going. I know where I'm going, but I don't know why I'm going this way. Just going to Talkeetna. Anyways, you know, most tourists would come to this state and be like, oh, let's go, whoa. You know, I can see an alley right there. It's right there. I've seen that mountain a million times. It gets old. It's cool. But, you know, it's just a big rock to me. You know, fun fact, when I worked in the slope a year ago, I flew over it and I got a picture of it. It's cool up close, but and again, it's just a rock and it's been there for a million years. But I don't know. Living in the state is a privilege, but it's also torture because there's not very many people. There's not a million people. There's only 820-something thousand people live here. And I would say half of those live in odd places like Nome or Barrow. And there's only 50,000 live in Fairbanks. Maybe 100-something thousand maybe in. Maybe 100,000, 50,000, I don't remember. I live in Anchorage. I'm 2 hours north of Anchorage, so 2 hours, 1 hour 40, but it feels like 2 hours. Anyways, yeah, 2 hours. I've gone that highway so many times. It just gets so old. I see amazing views. I tell people I'm from, Alaska, and they're like, oh, what is it like? You know, what is it like living in an igloo? I don't know. I live in a normal house. So it's pretty funny. No hard feelings, though. Train of thought. It's hard to meet people. It's very hard to meet people in the state. It can be either, the easy ways to, find your niche, rent a car, and motorcycle, boats, or hunting, or whatever. I mean, there's Facebook groups. It's a good place to start. But besides that, the state's a click. That's the best way to put it. If you don't have a click in the state or know any place in the state, communication's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. And as somebody that's young, and I'm 22, and I enjoy riding. I'm on this stupid thing today. There's a bunch of super bikes here. I can't keep up, and I'm not really into the super bike game. I can respect them, but it's not my cup of tea. Check this out. Anyways, this is not my cup of tea. I can respect the people that ride them, but what I daily want, no, because I'm too tall for it. It'd be painful. It'd be uncomfortable. And ultimately, it probably irritate me. That's why I like ADVs, because they're comfy and they got a little bit of support. They got a little up and go. But I respect anybody who's on a motorcycle, a moped, a bicycle, a Harley, ADVs, supers. long as you're not a dick and breaking laws, I'm cool with you. I find people that I want to ride it with that aren't part of a clique. It just makes it hard. So I met some incredible people at bike meets, surprisingly. But, you know, the connection doesn't stick. So I just usually ride alone. And you know, it sucks. I want to ride with somebody, but it's not all the time. Because riding with somebody takes a lot of effort, especially if you don't know them. But there's not really, I don't know anybody that rides in the state as like, you know, a friend. I know people ride in other states. But it's interesting living here. 16 years, I think, pushing 16. It's a privilege and it's a privilege and it's torture, basically. That's the way to put it. You know, I've seen a lot of the state. It's something to behold, but I'm coming to the end of this chapter being in a state, and I'd like to go other places. I want to ride. I want to go to Texas because I know there's a lot of motorcycle meets there. Florida because I know they have a ton of meets in groups or whatever. But Alaska it's a hard state. The reason why there's not a lot of people here is just because it's so vast. It's a very vast state. It's a 49 state, 800 something in it. 2 million acres? I don't remember. It's a big state. For example, driving from Homer, Prudhoe Bay, what's that thing? A week. Maybe just sightseeing, taking it easy. 4 days, maybe, if you're hauling ass, but we don't break laws. So, it's a big state. It's a hard state. It's interesting, best way to put it. See a lot of Harleys riding here. See a lot of Harleys here. Why? I don't know. I've never been on a Harley, so I don't understand. I don't really like to stick with the stigma of Harleys are bad. This bike is unreliable, or this bike is too expensive and overrated. I don't like to stick with the stigma, but it's not my cup of tea. Like, again, I can respect it though. You see, these are views I get all the time. Right there. Yeah. Just a view, seen it. You know, like I said before, if anybody wants to visit, I don't know, from Florida or California or Texas, and they come up here and they look at there, it's like, oh my god, it's so amazing. I don't care enough, honestly. It's just a big rock. Big stupid rock to me. I don't even know how long this video is going to be. Just testing out. I just got the DJI Mic Mini. Here's how it sounds. It's connected, that sucks. Gorgeous state. I think Alaska's home for me, but I'd like to, as a young adult, I think I would, of course, you'd love to go see more. What's the state has to offer? Alaska Railroad. Look at it. I have no idea how long this video is going to be. What the hell is it's not going to process. Anyways, yeah, I don't know how this video is going to sound. I hope it sounds good because I've seen a bunch of YouTube videos on this mic connected to the DJI Action 4, and it sounded good. It sounded really, really good. So I hope this sounds good. I copied their settings, you know, -8 on decibels. Noise suppression, or yeah, sound suppression, whatever, something suppression, like low. And that sounded pretty good on the YouTube video, so I hope this sounds pretty good. I've never done this before. Normally I record. I do record sometimes, but I don't talk. And I don't do anything with them. They look good. And it's like a flashy video, but it's just wind. One thing you hear is just wind. So I really, really hope this sounds good. I've been wanting to make videos on a motorcycle. It's fun. Oh boy, these tourists. Oh, I see a Beamer. What is it? 650? Yep. That is a 650. 2006, maybe? I don't know. Beautiful town of Talkeetna. Cool place. A lot of tourists. A lot of tourists. Harleys. It feels so weird to ride a BMW through with Harleys, man. It's odd. Very weird. So many tourists, man. Sometimes, last year I couldn't even ride through that. That was hard. So many tourists. Everybody wants to go to Alaska. Beautiful Alaska. Cool place, man. Shut the choke is off, man. That suck. I'm gonna go this way. How are we doing? Yeah. I just like to ride around here sometimes because, I don't know, I don't live next to a city. There are no real cities in Alaska. Go this way. This thing's gonna overheat if I sit for too long. My fans, I don't even know the fan works. I've seen it spin 3 times the entire time I've owned this thing. I don't even know if it's working now. So. Good spot. Yeah. People don't really like me. Street bikes down here, but I don't care. I don't. If I feel like it. Where's this place at? Oh yeah. All right. Should probably end the video. Anyways, thank you. If anybody's watching, thank you. Yeah, something fun to make. Definitely trying to make more, but besides that, I'll have to see you guys the next time. All right, see you.